Have you ever thought, where do your photos go once you perform an online backup? Your Google Drive files? And even your daily emails? They're not actually inside your phone, they're in the cloud. But what exactly is cloud computing, and how does it work? Let's break it down in the next 3 minutes. Cloud computing simply means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. So instead of saving files locally, you use remote servers, which are powerful computers located in massive data centers around the world that continuously store and provide data. Think of it like electricity. You don't generate it yourself, you just use it when needed. So when you open Google Drive, stream Netflix, or send an email, you're simply using cloud computing. Here's how it works in simple terms. While browsing through internet, you send a request from your device. It travels through the internet, reaches a remote server anywhere in the world, then the server processes it and sends the result back. All of this happens in seconds. These servers are managed by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, who maintain huge data centers 24/7. There are 3 main types of cloud computing services. First, infrastructure as a service, where you rent servers and storage. Second, platform as a service, where developers build apps without worrying about hardware. And third, software as a service, like Gmail or Netflix, where you just use the software online. Each one makes technology more accessible and scalable in its own way. So why is cloud computing so popular? It's flexible, meaning you can access your data from anywhere. Whether you are at home or at office, your data is always with you. It's cost-effective, no need to buy expensive hardware, it's all taken care of by the service providers, and you can relax. And most importantly, it's scalable, businesses can grow without worrying about infrastructure. Plus, it enables things like AI, big data, and global apps, which would otherwise cost you a fortune. So that's cloud computing, simple, powerful, and everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech breakdowns.